My highest priority right now is to develop the mechanisms by which we can rebuild and restore abundance to the world's oceans by 2050. I think that in the case of oceans, they are the least funded of the Sustainable Development Goals, but they impact almost every other goal. So we desperately need to move beyond philanthropy and engage investors and businesses and multiple different stakeholder groups to be creative in filling the ingenuity gap on how we can generate the funding we need to restore and rebuild our oceans. FII in Riyadh has a very distinctive voice in the event space, and I think is asking some critical questions about what is the future that we're investing in? How do we bring that future to the present in a way that is just and equitable and protects people and the planet? And those really are the conversations we need to be having right now. The most important thing to remember as a young person is that your voice matters today. When I was young, in high school and wanted to get involved in things, my voice wasn't heard. I was too young. That's not true today. There are young people around the world who are having measurable impact on the conversations that are being had at the highest level. And I think that's a really important thing to remember as a young person is that today your voice matters. So please use it.